Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, kala play pa iba ha ka katan rew terik ujiliw, ha atat kani ka skul ba, ya unyai lani u flag post Bajrong tam ha kadong Lammihngi berok kawai, u Bajrong shispa san po put sya sahit pening. Ya uni unyai la ais ngobha da ka DK Flag Foundation Mumbai ka ba imsngi ban penyeng nyai Pynher lamari India u Bajrong ha kaling kinong ba jong kari. Hakani kesngi ke Lama kari India kala kawe sngau serong hakitru pekenjang ha phalau jogani ke skul pa. Lapen here ke Lama kari do Dr. Rakesh Bakshi unong sengi kani ke foundation. Ya uba la yo ya ke nam ke muriu ra Lama ke India lani Flagman of India ubala wan kenang na kebenta kani kesngi na du Mumbai. Lapen po pen pengi kani kesngi de kisur jingput shot mensim na kaban ki pulit 1st Battalion Mauyong ki kena NCC na kani ke skul ba bat nagi kena skul bat Samla puli na kani ke thain. Ki he ki han ki bladon lang kani kesngi ki kentup yo Professor GD Sharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor Ustm, ba Orville Masar Additional Superintendent of Police Riphoy, Anil Bish DIG CRPF, Dr. Sanjay Deshmukh, Vice Chancellor Balashong That University of Mumbai, but U Mahbubul Hok, Honorable Chancellor USTM. Lapen her ya kalama jongkari ha kini kesngi ke bala penrehem ya ke mensim idri ha barok ke bala saki ya kini ke program.
And to the Peter Pratt Foundation for their extraordinary generosity and unwavering.
We would now like to take the opportunity
that I have never been able to experience in my life. I hope this would not be the last, and I hope many flags like this fly all across our state. It is a matter of great pride, especially for me, if I drive by Shillong, drive by Dhangiti and go to Barik Point, you will see our flag, even in Shillong. And every time I drive by on a day where I'm not rushing for my duties, and I look back and I see the flag, it's a matter of great pride and remembering the sacrifices that people have made and for the country. Also, I would like to, not taking so much time and thinking about everybody here because it's quite hot, I would like to again acknowledge the contribution of St. Francis Band just now, which I have seen. St. Francis, please, hats out. It's something that I have not seen. Mixing culture, tradition, music, dance. It just shows the capabilities of our youth nowadays, what the youth are capable of doing. Each time you think that you have seen everything, they surprise you with something even better. So with these words in mind and giving a chance to the others also to speak, I would like to thank you all. Thank you for being here. And again, just with these few words, I would like to end.
Ladies and gentlemen, the flag has been taken for the ceremonial hosting.
Start folding. Start. अब जाइए अपनी जगह में हो गया
University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Shri Sanjay Deshmukh, former Vice Chancellor, Mumbai University, Professor G.D. Sharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, USTM, Shri C.P. Karat, Honorable Chairman, Meghalaya Local Government of Meghalaya, Shri Anil. The flag has been now taken for the hosting.
जाओ ना नहीं जाओ
Very grateful to Almighty. रेन से तो अच्छा है कि नहीं? रेन से तो अच्छा है, थोड़ा सा गर्मी लग गया, बट हम लोगों ने बहुत बड़ा काम किया आज के दिन में. And we must be very grateful to Bakshi Sahab that the man in the right side, है ना, वो शादी में एक मीडिएटर होते हैं, तो हमारे यहाँ ये फ्लैग आने में ये देशमुख साहब ने ही कंसेप्ट किया है. देशमुख साहब ने बख्शी साहब को कनेक्ट किया और कहा कि यूएस के मास्ट में हाईएस्ट जो फ्लैग है वो होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा. I am extremely on behalf of the university apologize for the inconveniences caused, but it has been done today. It's a great day. और मैं सबसे ज्यादा खुश हूँ, साल के पूरा फैमिली आ गया. मैडम आइए तो इधर. Standing ovation for them, the Bakshi Sahab's Foundation, and I hope that in the coming days also we will be looking on. In the right side, sir, they are all director level people. Certainly we will be introducing our director medical education, director healthcare, principal of our MBBS medical college, principal of Ayurvedic college, and all the deans are sitting here. And in the front side, they are not students, they are our faculty members, head of the departments. And I told you that we have some beauty parlor person, so that should not be shown to you yesterday. So you have seen some colorful kind of things, and I think last performance must be done by our housekeeping staff. You see, they are the housekeeping staff standing on the right side, and they are the faculty members, and they will be showcasing the last performance. I salute everyone that you are the part of this great event. Finally, we made it. And the most important thing that through this activity, through this kind of symbolic activity, that it is the kind of, by the end of the day, patriotism. And once there is a patriotism, it means that we must have a level of sacrifice. We must have a dedication, whatever possible way we can. Today you see this campus is very clean. Can you give the return of the housekeeping staff who are making the road clean, washroom clean, entire campus clean? Anybody, you see the Bakshi Saab's family when they have entered, one thing they said, yesterday they have appreciated, today morning, madam, you are from US, आप बताइए US का ब्यूटी कैसे है, US का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कैसे है, बट कैंपस रूम में एंट्री करके ये बताया कि दिन में आपका एक कैंपस और ज्यादा खूबसूरत है. So this is the way the people recognize कितना हम शेयर करेंगे. बट जितने लोग, जितने गेस्ट आते हैं, सारे लोग, उस दिन अब अनिल बीस साहब आए, हमारे डीआईजी साहब आए वहाँ सीआरपीएफ कैंप से, हमारे से कोई जान पहचान नहीं है. उनके मिसेस को लेके यहाँ ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आए, एंट्री में कैंपस में एंट्री किया और वो सडनली मेरे चेयर के सामने से वो फ्रंट से उठ गए, चले गए और जाके हमारे रूम के सामने जो ग्लास है वो ग्लास से इधर इधर ऐसे देख रहे थे और वहाँ
To the nation, a round of applause to Dr. Rakesh Bakshi sir, who made this day possible. Thank you so much, sir.
And this 50,000 will be handed over by Bakshi sir. Please give a big hand to SFS school. Our NCC team. I am also salute to our NCC team.